and I laugh, I can't use it on my nose because you turn it on and you put it on your nose. No, and it tickles so much. I don't know how anyone does it. I was laughing so hard, I thought, well, maybe I'll just turn it off and do it, and that was a little bit better. But it literally, I bet I can make myself sneeze. Just watch. Here it comes. It's amazing. I thought, man, if I ever like need to sneeze, I'm just gonna go grab this, turn it on, and just let it rip on my nose. It just tickles so much, so I can't handle it. My nose is really sensitive.